Right, A, B, C are numbers such that A is less than 0, so that's negative. Alright, A is negative, and that's essentially what A is negative. Alright, so there we go. B is greater than 1, alright, so that's fine. C can be positive or negatives between -1 and 1. Alright, so anyway, here we go. So we've got to tick whether they're always true, sometimes true, never true. A cubed is less than 0. Well, that's always true because a negative times a negative times a negative again. All right, it's going to give you a negative. All right. B is less than 10a squared. Now, it depends what A is. If A is minus 0 point something, all right, that's not going to be true. But if A is minus 2 and B is 1, then minus 2 squared is 4, times 10 is 40, and B is minus 1, B is 1, sorry, 1 is less than 40. So that's sometimes true. There are like I say, the best way to do these is try some different numbers, okay? A times B is greater than 0. Well, that's never true because one's negative, one's positive, so you know you're going to get a negative answer to that. And then B minus C is greater than 1. Well, if C is if C is positive, then B minus C is got to be less than 1. All right, and so if B is if B is 1.1 and C is 1. Okay, for example, you get 0.1 is the difference. Okay, so therefore that's not greater than 1. But if B is, say, 2 and C is negative, actually, if C is 0, it can be 0, couldn't it? That would be greater than 1. So we can come up with examples for both. So the best way of doing that, right, in a rather garbled way, I've said, is try some numbers.